Click on the link below to get price. The Chery Industrial Expandable Prefab House is a modern, portable, and exquisitely designed villa that offers a versatile solution for various accommodation needs. This 19 feet x 20 feet expandable prefab house is designed to provide a comfortable living or working space with a quick assembly process and finished interior decoration. It is ideal for use as a hotel, house, kiosk, booth, office, sentry box, guardhouse, shop, toilet, villa, warehouse, workshop, or plant. The house is constructed using high-quality materials such as aluminum, alloy steel, and glass, ensuring durability and longevity. The portable container home style allows for easy transportation and setup, making it a popular choice for people who travel frequently or need temporary accommodation. The interior layout is carefully designed and equipped with necessary amenities like a shower and toilet, providing convenience and comfort. One of the standout features of the Chery Industrial Expandable Prefab House is its ability to withstand wind loads of up to 70 miles per hour, depending on the foundation and specific circumstances. However, it is recommended to pour concrete on the legs to maximize stability and avoid staying inside during extreme weather conditions such as storms, tornadoes, hurricanes, floods, and blizzards. The house is not wired, so it is essential to hire an electrician for American standard wiring to ensure safety. The expandable prefab house is compacted to a container size, making it easy to transport and set up. It is an ideal alternative for temporary accommodation or office space, offering a comfortable and convenient living environment. The house is designed to be quick to assemble, making it a practical solution for those who need a temporary living or working space. The Chery Industrial Expandable Prefab House is also an excellent option for those who love mobile houses and enjoy traveling. The portable house can be moved with a trailer, allowing users to take their home with them wherever they go. The house's modern design and high-quality construction make it a stylish and practical choice for various accommodation needs. What stands out the most? Quick assembly process, finished interior decoration, portable and easy to transport, durable construction with high-quality materials. Equipped with necessary amenities like a shower and toilet, can withstand wind loads of up to 70 miles per hour. Ideal for temporary accommodation or office space. Compact container size for easy transportation, modern and stylish design, suitable for various uses such as hotel, house, kiosk, booth, office, etc. Convenient and comfortable living environment. Easy to set up and move with a trailer. Provides a versatile solution for accommodation needs. High-quality construction ensures longevity, ideal for people who travel frequently. Technical specifications, dimensions, 19 feet x 20 feet after expansion. Materials, aluminum, alloy steel, glass. Product dimensions 234.8 D x 198.8 W x 100 H. Item weight, 7,849 pounds. Style, modern portable container, home wind load, up to 70 miles per hour. Assembly required, yes, ultraviolet light protection, 99% base material, alloy steel top material. Type, metal chamber, depth, 20.14 feet frame material. Alloy steel door style, standard slab. Pros and cons? Pros, quick and easy assembly. Durable and high-quality construction, portable and easy to transport. Modern and stylish design equipped with necessary amenities. Suitable for various uses, can withstand wind loads up to 70 miles per hour. Compact container size for easy transportation. Cons, not wired. Requires hiring an electrician, not suitable for extreme weather conditions. Limited space compared to traditional houses, requires concrete pouring for maximum stability. Higher initial cost compared to some alternatives. Where to buy? The Chery Industrial Expandable Prefab House can be purchased from various online retailers, including Amazon. It is essential to check the availability and delivery options before making a purchase. Additionally, it is recommended to read customer reviews and compare prices to ensure you are getting the best deal. To summarize, the Chery Industrial Expandable Prefab House is a versatile and practical solution for various accommodation needs. Its quick assembly process, durable construction, and modern design make it an excellent choice for temporary living or working spaces. While it has some limitations, such as the need for wiring and concrete pouring for stability, its benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Whether you need a temporary office, a mobile home, or a stylish villa, The Chery Industrial Expandable Prefab House is a reliable and convenient option. Click on the link below to get price.